HeatMate. Introducing revolutionary graphite technology. This innovative graphite heater ensures exceptional ergonomics and longevity. It is cost-effective. This unit is silent, has multiple heat settings and automatic safety shutoff, and it is fast, super fast. Heat output is reached in just 0.2 seconds. The temperature of the heated object is raised by 10 degrees in only 30 seconds, making this graphite heater highly effective. The heat comes instantly. Period. The heater is light and easy to use. Just turn it on and dive into the joy of complete comfort. Redefining instant heat. HeatMate. Discover it for yourself.